How would you like the idea of watching videos from your smartphone, from your tablet, from your computer, from the comfort of your bed, your couch, laying on the beach, and getting money out of it? Sounds good? This is what I'm going to show you guys today. A site is going to pay you to do just that, watching videos and getting rewarded about it. Before we go ahead and start this video, as always, if you haven't already, I would like to invite you to click the subscribe button following the video or the right side of this video in order to be part of my channel and follow all my videos released every single day. And when you hit the subscribe, make sure you hit the bell icon so you can get a notification from the videos I release every single day. Free methods of making money online. So with no further ado, guys, let's go ahead and start today's video, which is a site called quickrewards.net. You will be able to find everything. All the links is listed below this video. And what I would like you to do in order to start the video, I would like you to go ahead and click the quickrewards.net. It's free to register, guys, and once you go ahead and click to the join program, you're gonna see that you will be asked to put your email, your username and your password, and then you're gonna have to set here. I just took a quick screenshot so I can show you that you need to select at least one program to join. Guys, go ahead and select all three, accept the terms, and you will be transferred to this website here, where you can say that is various ways you can make money. You can take surveys, you can send paid emails, you can do it by clicks and so on. But what I would like to show you today as my subject and my video, I would like you to go to home, and then you're gonna come to this menu and you want to click on the Flix TV, guys. And through the Flix TVs, as you can see here, you can visit Quick Rewards Flix and 25 quick points when you watch a video, and you can come back multiple times during the day to watch videos every 10 minutes. So you click here to start watching videos, and it will bring you to the Quick Rewards Network Flix TV, and you will be able to watch videos from here. Okay, this is an advertising banner. You can either click here or continue, so just put your confirmation that you're a human, Snow Lady. So you just enter everything here, you continue by clicking the button here, and it's going to automatically take you to the feature video, and that's it. You're going to start watching the video. Once the video is completed, you'll be getting your points, and you will be able automatically, once the video is done, guys, it will take you to the next video, to the next, and you will be able to watch the video, and you will be getting the 25 points that you'll be able to redeem later on once you collected enough points. So this is what I want to show you guys. Very nice. If you like to watch videos and get some money, this is a very nice way. Go to quickrewards.net from the link below. Make sure you click on the Flix TV from the left hand side menu, and it will bring you to this side, and you can start watching videos, and you can able to redeem once you have enough points. You will be able to browse on different categories as well if you want to. So you have video games, travel, tech, sports, spiritual, and so on. So you'll be able to do it over here, or you can leave it on the top videos, and it will take you to the featured videos by itself. So this is what I want to show you guys today. A very nice way you can start with a free method to watch videos and get redeem your points once you have the points collected, and you'll be able to get some money out of this way if you have free time and you like watching videos. Guys, it's not gonna make you rich overnight. This method is gonna bring you some money, but it's not gonna make you rich overnight. If you want to see my #1 recommendation, my best way of proved way, free way to make money from the comfort of your house, passive income, money coming in, make sure you click my #1 description below this video. It will change your life like it changed mine. I love it. I wouldn't go and change it with nothing. My only regret that I haven't started this earlier, so you can do it now, so you don't have regrets that you didn't do it later on down the road as well. So click my #1 description below, follow it, free, no credit cards or anything like that needed. Just enter your information, you start from there and start making some money. I hope you like the content of this video, guys, today. If you did, make sure you click the thumbs up, click the subscribe button, the bell notification, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.